Enter at your own risk.
What do I do for a Silver Raven? I do scares, and I help build the haunt, and sometimes I help design it. Well, as you can see, I've been around forever, and I've been doing this since 1989. The scares. I love them screams. Always the previous year.
What?
The previous year.
No, I heard that.
Well, actually, it was the first year. It was here. We're the best. If you want scares, you come here. And if you were curious who helped make this beautiful mug,
All of these fantastic masks were provided by Derpy Reaper.
You tit! I saw my armor, I was so scared.
Thank you very much.